Hi, what's up everyone, it's DaviFX here. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. And here I'm looking at the US30 chart. I'm gonna be quickly analyzing it, telling you my perspective of what I think is gonna happen. And yeah, I'm just gonna tell you my outlook and my analysis, so maybe you can take advantage and probably learn for that or make some money. So let's look at it on the daily. First of all, as you can see, we have really strong bullish momentum to the upside, and then we had this little retracement, but just looking at the price action, this momentum is really strong. So we expect in the long run the price to continue moving to the upside, right? So as you can see, if I zoom in a little bit on the daily time frame, here we can see that the price touched the 200 moving average, kind of showed some indecision, and then continue up with some nice bullish momentum. We can see 3 consecutive daily candles going to the upside, then this weak bearish candle. So just looking at the price action and the candles, we see that the bulls are in control. So if I go to a lower time frame, which is 4 hour, we can clearly see that we have multiple of higher highs and higher lows formed here, here, and here. And this high was formed with a lot of momentum here. But as you can see, price on the 4 hour has really failed to close above 200 moving average. But the momentum is too strong for me to be thinking like it could reject to the downside. So basically, before I take every trade, I have to have 3 checks. So one of them is trend, one of them is momentum, and the last one is zones. So currently we have trend, which is bullish, we have momentum, which is bullish. Now what I'm going to need to look for is zones. So for the zones, I like to go to a lower time frame, and as you can see, I have some zones here marked up already. So let's go to a lower time frame and see what we have. As you can see here, we have a nice zone of liquidity here. A lot of orders were sitting here, and what happened during the Asian session, price came down with a lot of momentum here and then rejected, pushed to the upside, closing above all moving averages. Right, so we can leave the zone alone because it has already been tested and confirmed. Right now I have 2 zones, which is green and which is yellow. Yellow is the lower time frame zone. So if I go to a 5-minute time frame, as you can see, this has been respected beautifully here with this rejection. And I'm going to tell you now why I have picked the zone. So if I go all the way to the left, we can see that the price on the way up here to the left started, oh man, I don't know why it's not, here you go. We had a lot of momentum here, and the price kind of started consolidating in the zone, forming 2 market structures, above and below. So what happened is the price moved here between these 2 zones, and this is where the price came up, pushed down, used this liquidity, this zone right here, to push up, break all this market structure on the left, and form a lot of momentum to the upside, right? So this zone is significant, this high is significant, and if I go back to the right side, we can see that this zone has been respected beautifully. So we have 2 zones cleared. We have 1 zone cleared, we have another zone cleared. The next one is above here. So this zone is a 30-minute time frame zone, and as you can see, once again, this is where the price kind of stopped before. This is where the price kind of stopped before this strong momentum to the upside. So this zone is also very significant, and it kind of like rejected here and now bouncing around here. So what I'm looking for is a break above, retest, and then continuation to the upside. So if I look to the lower time frame, let me clean this up. If I look to the lower time frame, we already can see that the price kind of break above, retested, and continues to the upside. So if I have couple 15-minute candle closes, bullish candle closes in a row, I think we're good to take this trade. So this is my outlook for today, October 11th, Monday, and this is what I'm looking for. So basically some more rejection or some more momentum before taking longs on US30. Peace. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what you think in the comments.